Grocery store secrets, food storage tips your grocer won't tell you. 10. Stuff the shrimp into a mineral water bottle, then fill it up completely with water. Seal the bottle and freeze it in the refrigerator. This way, they can be preserved for a year without spoiling. 9. Stick a piece of tape on the bottom of tomatoes to lock in the moisture. They'll stay fresh for 3 weeks. 8. Bananas can spoil quickly after just a few days. Wash off the ripening agents on the peel with clean water. Dry with a paper towel, then moisten another one and wrap it around the banana stem. Store it for as long as you wish, and it'll still be good to eat when you crave it. 7. Can't finish a watermelon? Storing it directly in the refrigerator can allow bacteria to grow. Place 2 fresh garlic cloves on either side of the watermelon, cover with plastic wrap, and then put it in the fridge. It'll remain fresh for several days. 6. Too much cabbage left over? Carve out the base of the cabbage, stuff it with a damp paper towel, then moisten the outside. This method will keep it fresh for half a month. 5. Wrap the roots of cilantro in a paper towel, dampen with water, and place in a glass. It'll stay fresh for a month. 4. Rice can get infested with pests over time. Put star anise and ginger in a pouch and place it in your rice container. Your rice will remain pest-free for a year. 3. Can't finish the green onions? Line them up on a paper towel, spritz with water, and roll them up to maintain root moisture. They'll stay fresh for half a month. 2. Ginger can mold if not stored properly. Place ginger in a glass jar, cover it with white sugar, and seal the lid. It won't spoil for 6 months. 1. Bread can mold easily. Sneak a stalk of celery into the bread bag and seal it. It'll reduce the chances of mold growth. Follow me for daily insights and more life hacks.